Hi guys, welcome to Comfort Life channel. It's Irina here today. I hope you're doing great, and in this video we are discussing the flaxseed or flaxseed oil. The topic I want to cover is the use of flaxseed oil or flaxseeds for sensitive skin. If you are interested in knowing more about great benefits of flaxseeds, I would be so happy to make the video for you. Just let me know. Now, a lot of people, especially these days, are complaining of having sensitive skin. And if you do not know, probably there are two types of skin and skin conditions, as sensitive skin and sensitized or reactive skin. So sensitive skin is a skin type, and reactive skin or sensitized skin is a skin condition. Well, these are two different things, and they need to be treated differently. So if you are interested to know more about that topic, you could watch my video where I explain in details about how to know the difference and how to help your skin. Now, in this video, we are talking about sensitive skin, but I believe that sensitized skin could benefit from flaxseeds as well. Now, flaxseed is something that is really, really good for your body. It's high in omegas and it's high in fiber. So I believe this should be a staple food on your table. It is not expensive. It is very affordable. And honestly, I believe that instead of choosing flaxseed oil, it might be a lot wiser to choose just regular whole flaxseeds, because first of all, this is whole food. You get everything you can get from the whole food. It's cheaper and it's more stable. For example, when you buy flaxseed oil, I personally always worry when I buy it. I don't know how it has been stored before it got on the shelf at the store, and I don't know with the conditions, so I don't know how stable it is right now for me to use it. Now, the shelf life is extremely short once you open it, but with the flaxseeds, the shelf life is a lot longer. You could even cook with the seeds without destroying any omega-3s, and you could store the ground flaxseeds for a month, even not refrigerated, and you shouldn't be afraid about spoilage or oxidation. So you could also buy whole flaxseeds and then grind them. I buy the ones that are already ready to use, and I store them in the glass container in the fridge. I eat them daily, and I really love them. Now, so recently, there has been a study of supplementation of flaxseed oil. They wanted to see if flaxseed oil could help to diminish the skin sensitivity and improve skin barrier function and condition. So there was a randomized trial, and it was double-blind, and it was for 12 weeks, and there were two groups of people. The control group was using safflower oil, and the other control group was using flaxseed oil. They were using it daily internally, and the amount of oil they were using, you could get it in about 1.5 teaspoons of just regular flaxseeds, so if you want to use the whole product. The study was going on for 3 months, and after that there was a significant difference in skin reddening in a group of people who was taking flaxseed oil compared to the safflower group. Now, when the irritant was painted on their forearms to measure their skin sensitivity, their skin also ended up significantly better hydrated. It had significantly better barrier function, and we all know this is essential for our skin to be healthy, especially for people suffering from acne. And it was also evidence that they had lower transepidermal water loss, so skin was less rough and less scaly, and it was a lot smoother. So definitely you can actually see the changes, and you could see the changes when you looked at the skin close up during that trial. Skin looked pretty much just as dry and scaly before and after using the safflower oil, so that group of people didn't really benefit that much, and did not notice any significant improvement after using flaxseed oil. So what's important in this information is that if you have sensitive skin, sensitized skin that is dehydrated at the moment, that's another skin condition, dehydrated skin, but it's very easily treatable, reversible, and preventable. So you should pay attention to the flaxseed oil or flaxseeds. Now, sensitive skin is typically treated, and sensitized skin are typically treated by applying products topically, but we should never forget about proper water intake, and why not treat our skin or help it out, boost it up internally. That's never a bad idea. Now, the study showed that daily supplementation with flaxseed oil improved skin appearance and led to decreased skin sensitivity by improving epidermal barrier function and decreasing inflammation. So amazing is that it's not just some words. This has been a randomized trial that was for 12 weeks with great results. So actually all I wanted to do is just give you this insight. If you are suffering from this skin conditions or you have sensitive skin type, it's very simple tool to use. Not expensive, easy. Well, the way you could incorporate, you could bake with it. You could add it to prepared foods. I personally love using it in the morning. I add it to my morning oatmeal. I pretty much cover it in it, or I use it with my morning quinoa. Very often I eat quinoa the same way I would eat oatmeal, with fruits and coconut oil. And it tastes great for me, and I know I have all these benefits. There are a lot more benefits, by the way, using flaxseed. So if you're interested, I'll be happy to make a video for you. And if you have any questions or maybe some experience with flaxseeds or flaxseed oil, that would be amazing to hear it. Please put the thumbs up if you like this video. I wish you all the best, and I'll see you later. Bye.